In Italy, many people gather for what they call aperitivo, the practice of getting together for a cocktail and a light snack in the early evening. Sounds great, doesn't it? Well, today's recipe, The Afternoon in Italy, seeks to capture that relaxing spirit. So let's shake one up. Let's start with 1 ounce of Italicus, 1 ounce of citrus gin. Add a half an ounce of Lillet. Then add 1 ounce of lemon juice. I'm going to add ice to my shaker and then give it a good shake until it's chilled. Then strain into a cocktail glass. If you haven't tried Italicus, what are you waiting for? This delicious, fragrant aperitif is a welcome addition to any cocktail party. Whether you're in the boot-shaped country or right here at home, The Afternoon in Italy is Queen Bee approved.